I do not really possess talent in the kitchen, so this is what I eat in a day as a 21-year-old living alone who doesn't really know how to cook. I'm gonna juice. I just did a huge grocery haul video last week, so I thought this would be fun to do next. Obviously, every day is different. This is not me telling you what I think you need to eat, because personally, I try to listen to my body and my cravings, and so this is just personal. Hopefully, you can use this video as inspiration for food ideas. Again, I don't eat the exact same things every day, because sometimes I'm lazy, other times I'm not. Anyway, let's see what I ate in this specific day. Good morning, friends. You already know the drill. I've got the lemon water. I don't really like to eat super immediately in the morning. Sometimes I get like nauseous at the thought of food in the morning, and other times I'm like ravenous. It just depends. But either way, I always drink 1 to 2 glasses of water. If I don't, I feel like I'm like withering away. So I just like to stay hydrated in the morning. We will see what we get into for food today. I don't really meal prep. I don't really plan what I'm gonna eat. I usually just ask myself, what am I craving? And then I kind of go from there. I don't know if that's the best system though, because sometimes I feel like I run out of ideas. But I don't know, I'm not really a planner when it comes to what I'm gonna eat. I kind of just see something, grab it, put it in my mouth, done. Okay, I'm making some coffee now. I did not become obsessed with coffee until I found this recipe. It's changed and ruined my life because now I can't go without it, but it's so fun to make. One of my favorite things is I have a ton of like handmade mugs from these small businesses. I'm gonna need to do some sort of like mug collection little segment in a video because I have so many cute small business mugs. I've just been switching between hot and iced lattes. Today I'm gonna make a hot one. I never thought I would be one of those people who was like, my coffee is what gets me up in the morning. I need it. It's my motivation. And shit, like suddenly that is me. It's just so delicious. And I wish I could make you one so you could understand how good it is. But you're just gonna have to get the ingredients and try it, okay? What a beauty. My grip on this is so weird. I just don't wanna drop it because I'm prone to errors and dropping things and ruining things. Cheers. Okay, it's a tad bit later. I'm gonna start making some breakfast. I think it's 9:45. I usually don't eat this early actually, but I'm feeling kind of hungry, so we're gonna whip up my go-to breakfast at the moment. Okay, I'm gonna flip the egg. I'm gonna try to flip the egg. Big juicy fail. Shit. This is my favorite part of every single day. I love a good breakfast, particularly this one. I like hyperfixate on breakfast that I like to eat, and then I tire it out so much that I get absolutely sick of it. But I haven't gotten sick of this yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do when that day comes, but we've got some eggs. I just learned how to make eggs that aren't scrambled, because for the longest time I only knew how to make scrambled eggs. I don't know what this is called, because I didn't scramble it, but it's not scrambled. So I'm learning how to prepare eggs in different ways. Very exciting. We've got some blackberries, blueberries, some avocado toast on fresh bread. Love a good balanced breakfast. We've got everything here. Perfect. I just obliterated this plate of food, and now I am moving in slow-mo. No matter what, every time I eat a meal, even if it's not like, that wasn't that much food, like I don't feel like I overate, I feel satisfied, but I am moving so slow. Like I do not want to get up from the floor. You know what I'm also realizing? I hardly ever eat food or like eat meals at my dining table anymore. Every time I eat, it is right here, right in this spot. Anyway, I will see you for whatever I eat next. Back from my brief beach intermission. It was just one of those days where priorities get pushed to the side because it is just such a good sunny day out there and you gotta take advantage of it. Anyway, it's time for a little snack. This is my favorite brand of juice boxes at the moment. It's literally children's juice. It's called Elmo's Punch. I don't care. I could very easily drink 5 of these because they're so small. I drink them in one sip if I tried. So good. I'm gonna snack on some little pickles. There she is, little pickle chips. You either love pickles and will like willingly drink pickle juice, or you'd rather die than consume them. We've also got a lovely little cheese stick here because string cheese always hits. It's currently 12:53, so it's almost 1. I'm not quite ready for lunch yet, so I'm probably gonna wait a little bit to make some lunch. And I don't know, I'm not really like a big lunch person. Sometimes I would literally just like snack kind of like this. I'm about to go on a little drive. So I have myself some white cheddar popcorn. It's from the brand Smart Food. It's so good. I've been recently re-obsessed with it. It's so funny because I remember so vividly when I was younger, I was not really allowed to eat in my mom's car because I'm a messy eater and I'm prone to making crumbs, making a mess, whatever. But now I can eat in the car because I was about to say it's my car, but this is literally a rental. But I am not gonna make crumbs. I'm gonna try not to make crumbs. I like don't really have a free hand to eat, so. Mwah. I'm literally so annoying. I can't stand myself. We just stopped at McDonald's. Yeah. Because Connor hasn't eaten today yet. Not good. I will admit it here. Diet Coke is my guilty pleasure. Oh.
Who put you onto that?
I put you onto that.
No.
Exposed. Can I please have a French fry?
You said you just wanted a Diet Coke.
No, hello, I know, but.
That's how it always be, huh? You just said, oh, I just want a drink.
You think I'm just gonna let you eat all the French fries?
Eat all my food.
I guess this is my lunch. It's literally 4:30. Not lunchtime. Again, today's kind of just been a random day of eating, but I thought it'd be still good to share just because, I don't know, I feel like sometimes what I eat in a day videos can be so clearly like planned out. Basically, no bullshit here. Yes, I just had French fries and now I'm eating a very yummy, healthy acai bowl. First one of the summer. I'm definitely gonna be making more of these. They're just so good, so refreshing, and they're pretty easy. I kind of forgot how easy it is to just whip it up. If you want to romanticize your life, put on some heels and cook. I feel ridiculous in the best way. I have had chicken sitting in the freezer for like 2 months and I don't know, I just haven't had the urge to cook it because I don't want to cook chicken for one, but Connor's here and we just very aggressively and messily slapped together some ingredients and suddenly we're making chicken. This is so uncomfortable. What? We really just
are winging it.
Yeah, get it? Chicken wing. Wait,
that's a breast.
Connor also just added truffle oil for no reason and also mayonnaise.
Oh, no.
And now we're making chicken cutlets, I guess. I feel like making chicken is one of the scariest things because if you undercook it, you're gonna get salmon vanilla. I just feel like there's a lot of things that can go. Are you adding more seasoning?
Wait, I'm adding the hot pepper.
We have no idea what we're doing. Making chicken is not like making pasta. It's not super easy and super fun. No, making chicken is scary and this feels very adult. Crossing my fingers, mate. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. Oh, this could go so horribly. This is either gonna taste like amazing, out of this world, stunning, or like shit. Essentially what we did was grab every single seasoning that I have in my cabinets, slapped it on there. We're kind of just crossing our fingers. We'll see. I'm also about to sizzle up some mushrooms. Like, it low-key smells like fish. That literally smells like a poke bowl.
Ew!
Salad kit it is, bitch. That smells so good. Oh, look at her. So, change of plans, I will be making this salad kit. I got low-key ripped off because if you saw this in my grocery haul, you would have already seen this. Why is this in the salad kit? Apparently, salad kits aren't the best for you, but they do it in a pinch, and I just want some veggies. Bet you never thought you'd hear me say that, but I love salad, especially Caesar salad. I will get Caesar salad everywhere I go, every restaurant. I love trying different Caesar salads because they all taste different. No Caesar salad is made the same. This is literally gonna feed half a person. This is so sad.
Taste test.
It hits though. Drink of choice tonight. Cheers. That is like so not aesthetic. Obviously I'm not eating this singular piece of chicken. I just want to try it on camera. Cheers. It's a big moment. Hot.
Hey, you should have. The inside's gonna be hot. Spit it back out. Spit it back out.
Hot. Okay, wait, low-key? That is the best chicken I've made. The baking hits. I've never made it in the oven. Wait, that's actually pretty good. I mean, the inside's like a little, not dry. It's not dry. I guess like breast isn't like super juicy.
Yeah.
But dude, the flavors hit. We put every seasoning.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
No, that actually is pretty good.
Ooh, even like dipping it in mayonnaise. I'm like a mayonnaise queen. I love mayo. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of us. This is kind of my first big girl meal. Other than the fact that we have nothing else to eat with it. Because I was gonna make rice pilaf, forgot. And it's gonna take 35 minutes to make, so. It's just chicken. And we also just had salad, so. Yay! I want more.